In this documentary, we explore the future of merging humans with technology. Have you ever considered enhancing your body with technology? Could we upload our minds to computers or integrate AI into our biology? This isn't science fiction, it's rapidly becoming reality. From brain implants restoring movement to thought-controlled prosthetics, the human technology merge is transforming our lives. But this progress brings questions. Will we lose our humanity? What ethical challenges arise, and how far should we go? Join us as we delve into this exciting, controversial future. Humanity has always sought self-improvement through technology. From the wheel to AI-driven prosthetics, we've relentlessly pushed boundaries. Early enhancements included eyeglasses, hearing aids, and pacemakers, extending and improving lives. The digital age, with the internet and smartphones, hyper-connected us. Now, we are on the verge of direct brain and body integration. Companies like Neuralink are developing brain-computer interfaces for thought-controlled devices. Bionic limbs offer real sensory feedback, feeling natural. The line between human and machine blurs. Is this progress or dangerous territory? Merging with technology offers revolutionary potential. Medical breakthroughs include brain implants restoring mobility to paralyzed individuals, bionic eyes and ears restoring sight and hearing, and AI-assisted implants preventing diseases. Superhuman abilities become possible, enhanced memory, exoskeletons boosting strength and speed, and direct internet brain access. Extended lifespans may result from nanotechnology and AI-driven healthcare. Despite these exciting possibilities, challenges and risks exist. Integrating humans and technology presents ethical dilemmas, security risks, and dangers. Privacy and security are major concerns. Could brains connected to the internet be hacked? Who controls data from brain implants and AI devices? Could governments or corporations manipulate individuals? The divide between rich and poor is another challenge. Will only the wealthy access advanced enhancements? Could this create a new class system? What happens to those choosing to remain purely human? The potential loss of humanity is a crucial concern. Over-reliance on AI enhancements might diminish our humanity. Could we become more machine than human? If memories and consciousness are digitized, will death still hold meaning? These are profound philosophical questions society must address. The merging of humans and technology is already happening. Neuralink's success with a quadriplegic patient controlling a computer via thought is a prime example. Bionic limbs providing sensory feedback represent another advancement. Researchers predict AI-driven brain implants enabling speechless communication within a decade. The question isn't if we'll merge, but when and how far we'll go. The human-technology merge is both thrilling and terrifying. It promises disease cures, enhanced abilities, and extended lifespans. However, ethical questions around privacy, inequality, and the essence of humanity arise. As we navigate this technological revolution, we must ask, how much of ourselves are we willing to change? Who decides the future of human evolution? This journey is just beginning, and our choices will shape humanity's future. Are we ready for what comes next? Technology has always enhanced lives. But moving forward, we must decide, will we control technology, or will it control us? Would you embrace or fear the future? The choice is yours. This documentary concludes by leaving the audience with a thought-provoking question about the future of humanity and its relationship with technology.